It's Eric and Alex with the Alex and Eric Experience. Here we are at the airport going to Boracay for a week. We are taking Air Asia. Beautiful day, got here in like 30 minutes. And yeah, I want to say the Grab was like what, 500 pesos? A little bit less.
Yeah.
Tip the Grab driver, of course. And yeah, we're going to check in and
this one, if you have Philippine ID, is $8.50 each. It's include van here, boat, shuttle, terminal, environmental fee. And if you don't have Philippine ID, this one is the rate, 1,050. It's include also the van, the boat, the shuttle to hotel, and the government taxes also included. All the details.
one of these vehicles with the hotel name on the side. They were kind of packed, and so for private, I mean, it's just us in here. There's more people in the Hana.
Meanwhile,
So, dito na kami. Dito na kami ngayon. Wow.
It smells clean.
Yeah, it was.
Real nice.
Thank you po. Yung labas. So, we're here at the room. As you can see, naman ng aming bed. And, yeah, papakita ko sa inyo lahat mamaya. Shoot ko. So, yan.
One hour later.
Yes, so we're here. Dito kami sa beach ngayon. Habang lakad lang. Ayan, nagla-live siya. Nag-live siya sa Adventure sa ASMR. Please subscribe. So, yun. Ano ba?
Alright. I'm gonna look later. I'll say it again. I'm live.
So, ayan. Maglalakad muna kami ngayon. So, pupunta kami sa Station 1. Tapos, baka pumunta rin kami sa Station 3. So, ilibutin namin yun. Mula Station 1 hanggang Station 3. Lalakarin lang namin. Malayo siya, guys. Pero hindi naman siya ganun kalayo. Carry naman siya lakarin. Kaya, ayun, lalakarin namin. So, check natin, guys, kung ano yung makikita namin sa Station 1 to 3. So, samahan nyo kami. Yan. So, ayun, guys. Kanina pala, share ko lang, nagka-problema kasi kami. Kasi wala kaming ticket na dala. Tapos sabi niya nakabook na siya. nakabook naman na talaga siya. Pero kasi, kailangan di ba may ticket kayo or something printed. Tapos, wala din daw siyang na-receive na book confirmation para sa schedule namin. So, ginawa namin, pumunta lang kami sa customer service at nagpa-print kami doon. Pwede pala yun. Kasi, kapag nag-book ka naman, nandun na yung automatic yung pangalan mo, tsaka yung pangalan ng kasama kung saan kayo pupunta, or kung anong oras yung flight nyo, sasabihin nyo lang. Tapos, yun, search na nila, tapos, ipiprint nila yung ticket. Tapos, ayun, pwede na kayo pumasok. So, ayun lang yung naging prop namin. Daming cut na ito, guys. Siyempre, tutur namin kayo dito sa Boracay kung anong maganda, ganyan. Pero hindi naman totally lahat kasi 1 week lang kami dito. So, siguro mga 3 hotel o 4, ganun lang. So, ayan. Guys, kasi para hindi masyadong hassle kapag araw-araw, gabi-gabi, diba, nagbo-book, ganyan. Siguro, mga 4 or 3 beses lang kami naman magro-room tour and hotel tour. Ano ba yan? Mahal. So, ayan guys. Kita nyo. Epic. Ayan, madami rin pala ditong mga bar nga. At saka, hindi naman totally bar. Party. Feeling ko ganun. Ano ba? Hindi, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung anong mga meron dito. Lalakarin namin yung book muna. Ayan. So, ewan ko ga dito kay Eric. Pero sa tingin ko parang mahirapan kami makita yung Station 1 kasi sobrang dilim na at hindi namin mako-compare kung ano yung pinagkaiba-iba nila sa isa't isa. Yan guys, pakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung kaninang nakita natin yung Epic. Hindi na kami tumuloy sa Station 1, baka bukas na lang. Kasi gabi na at wala na kami makita dun sa dagat. So, dito na kami ngayon sa may mga restaurant, resto bar, tsaka mga hotels. Epic. Ayun pa rin naman yung
Epic? You know, when I see that word, I always think if the P grew a dick, it'd be an Eric. Think about it.
D?
If the P had a little thing, like grew a little dick, it'd be an Eric.
I understand.
You got it?
I understand. But the R was the capital R.
Corny joke.
Ah.
Corny joke. Hey, my jokes are bad. They're bad, I get it. But you know what?
Because you admit it.
I'm not a professional comedian. I don't get paid. And I love this.
Dito na tayo sa mga Changi.
Like everybody in the world.
Mga bilihan. 7 for 100. Ito yung mga tindahan dito, guys. May dalawang place.
I go there for dinner.
May Jollibee rin dito sa Boracay, guys. Oh, parang sabi niya, dyan daw kami mag-dinner. Na-excite pa. By the way, favorite ko kasi ni Eric yung Jollibee. Kaya, kahit saan kami nagpunta, pag nakakita kami ng Jollibee, kumain siya. Wala kasi masyadong ganyan sa kanila. Meron daw isang branch lang. Meron daw isang branch lang, kaso malayo. Siguro mga 2 hours mula sa kanila. Kaya, hindi masyado nakakakain. So,
Hello, Kuya. Nice. Put some names on there.
ayan.
Oh, you do that. You do that so nice.
So, this is
What? Free name of 7 for 100. Oh, that's awesome. That is a great freaking price. 7 for 100. I feel like I'm stealing it. That's a great price. Yes, sir. Can I see one? Let me see. Is this the same thing? Yes, sir. These are all the same, like this.
So this is 100 pesos. And this one is 150 pesos.
It's like $100 $100. I got you. It's Alex. But no, I get that. I've never heard that term, but yeah, I'm glad you clarified. Yeah, I don't know, but this would be cool if it came with like big googly eyes. I hope they didn't do this just for the. I hope it's like the, you know, like little like, man, look at this thing, family ice. But I know these ones are probably wow, like models, not real, but like you know what I'm talking about. I've seen like a YouTube of like this famous guy in Japan that makes all the fake
So
shoes.
yun guys, nagkat tayo ng video kasi ang dami music. And
Yeah, no, I'm loving this. This is awesome.
hindi pa naman ako namamonetize. Siyempre, bago pa lang YouTube channel natin. Pero siyempre, for sure, para sa future.
I got like 4 hours of sleep last night. I look like shit, so sorry about that. Even if I wasn't tired, I look like shit anyway.
Ayan.
Next one. Catch you the next one. Bye, Alex. Get some dinner.
Live.
A few moments later.
So yan guys, nakaligo na kami. Ngayon, so yun, nakaligo na kami, nakapag-prepare para nga sa dinner namin. Ano yun?
That's really good. I don't think there's big chunks of mushrooms in it. I think it's just like mushroom flavor. It's delicious though. No, I'm sure it's like, it's included. It's a cheap soup. I'm sure it's like, I don't want to say not from scratch, but you know what I mean. Probably not super homemade. Still tastes delicious though. So far so good.
Yes, nandito na po ang aming order. Picture. Ito po ang in-order ko. So, may choices. Kapag kumuha kayo ng steak, it's either rice or mashed potato. Ang cute ng mashed potato, parang ice cream. Parang scoop na kayo. Ayan. Siyempre, dahil Pilipina tayo, kanin ang pinili. So guys, ito nga pala ay 399 pesos lang. Mahalang steak kaya mura na siya. Kasi usually yung steak nasa 1,000, Shopee, ganyan.
And a
Ayan.
little itty bitty scoop of mashed potatoes and gravy.
Wag mo na siya.